Welcome to Varshini Vlog. Today we are going to see two healthy snack recipe. So you might guess it, no? It's corn and it's groundnut. Okay, that with corn and groundnut we are going to prepare sundal today. So for that I have soaked groundnut. I have washed it, cleaned it, and I have rinsed it, and I have soaked it in water for 6 hours. I have taken 250 grams of groundnut. That orange cup I have shown, no, that is the measuring cup. 1 cup of that orange cup, it measures around 250 grams of groundnut. And I am going to soak it for another 6 to 8 hours. So tonight if we soak it, no, tomorrow morning we can pressure cook it, so that we can take this healthy snack recipe as a breakfast. And I'm going to show how to remove corn seeds from that whole corn kernel stuff. How to remove corn seeds with hands. For that you no need to use any corn cutter or corn cutter machine or whatever it is. We can directly do with our hands. It will take around 7 to 10 minutes, that's all. How to remove it, that procedure also I have shown in video. You can just have a look. See, it's very easy only, no problem. You can remove it with your hands, keeping holding it tightly with one hand, and remove all the corn seeds with another hand. You can do it row wise or column wise, it's easy only. So no unwanted part will not come, only the corn seed will get removed in a proper way. It's really nice, no? You can enjoy while you are removing the corn seed from the kernel. It's really, it was giving some kind of pleasure for me when I was doing it. You can remove in the same way as what I am doing in the video. Either you can remove it column wise or you can remove it row wise also. Corn is very, very good for health. Uh, it helps in digestion. It is a dietary fiber. I have pinpointed some of the points at the end of this video. Healthy benefits of corn and groundnut. See, you can press like that and remove it easily. Even the corn is also coming around the same measure, 250 grams in that orange measuring cup, 1 full cup. So it's enough for groundnut to soak. No need to soak corn. You can directly pressure cook it. I'm doing it in the night. I'm soaking it in the night, groundnut, and after 6 hours you can soak it for more than 6 hours also, up to 8 hours. You will get more taste of groundnut. As you soak, the time of the soaking is more, the taste you will get it more. And now it has become morning, and now I am pressure cooking it. for 5 whistles. It has boiled in a very nice manner. Now to prepare groundnut sundal, for that I have used 1 tablespoon of oil. You take a heavy bottomed pan or kadai or whatever, uh, heavy bottomed kadai or whatever you have, and you can pour 1 tablespoon of oil and let the oil heat. Then you can add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, and then you can add 250 grams of, let it splatter. Then you can add 250 grams of groundnut. The aroma is really nice. As you soak, the more hours you soak, the taste you will get it more. Now you can add a half tablespoon of salt. I am using rock salt. You can add whatever salt you want according to the taste you add. Now you can add a turmeric pinch, turmeric powder a pinch, and red chili powder half tablespoon. Then you can mix all the masalas together with the spatula so that it mixes with the groundnut properly. Mix it very well with the spatula so that all the masalas mix with the groundnut properly. Then to get it done properly, you can make your flame very low and keep it on or simmer for 2 minutes, another 2 minutes, so that all the masalas get coated with the groundnut will come properly. Let it cook for another 2 minutes. Then you can transfer it into a serving bowl. Now for the corn sundal preparation, I have taken that boiled 250 grams corn. For that also you can pour 1 tablespoon of oil inside the kadai. Only 1 tablespoon is enough. Then you can add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds as the oil heats. Let it splatter. Now you can add that boiled 250 grams of corn. Just mix well with that spatula. Now you can add half tablespoon of salt. With 1 tablespoon of freshly crushed black pepper powder. the aroma is really nice. If you don't have pepper powder, you can add red chili powder also, no problem. The same amount of pepper powder, likewise you can add the same amount of red chili powder, no problem. But pepper powder is more good for health than the red chili powder, as you know. Now mix all the masalas properly with the corn. Then again you can simmer the flame for another 2 minutes to get the corn sundal get prepared in a nice manner. Let it get cooked in a nice manner. Now both the healthy snack recipes are ready. Corn seeds sundal and groundnut sundal. You can take it as a breakfast, or you can take it for lunch. Sugar patients can eat only 3 tablespoons of groundnut or corn, not more than that. And normal people can take around 100 to 150 grams, not more than that. That is more than enough per day. You can take it 2 to 3 times per week. Now, I would like to share some benefits of corn and groundnut. Corn benefits: it is protein rich, salt or sodium is very less. It has dietary fiber which helps in digestion. It has vitamin C, so that only from corn they are preparing corn oil. You are nowadays getting corn oil of different brands, and you are getting in the market easily. And 100 grams of corn, it contains 86 kilocalories of energy. And moreover, groundnut benefits: it has vitamin A, B, C, E. There are 26 essential minerals in groundnut. It is very good for health, so that only they are taking oil from groundnut. Even that can be used for preparation of snacks. For any oil snack, we can use groundnut oil also. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe to Varshini Vlog, and don't forget to tap the bell button. See you all in a new video. Bye.